Assalamu alaikum and hello again. Now we are solving paper 2, document production, data manipulation and presentation for the curriculum 0417. It's paper 2, this exam variant 2. It's May-June 2019. The whole exam is 2 hours 30 minutes, but we will do just only data manipulation, which is the database. And in this exam, it is task 3 on page 6. Now my evidence file is ready and I'm going to prepare some reports. Question 20. Using a suitable database package, import the file cruises and use these field names, data types. You have to stick to these names and the data types. You don't have to add any new field or to change any of the data types. Also, you can't lose any of these fields. Let's work on blank database. Choose your working area. It's here. And it will be in task 2. And create. Okay, now external data, text file and browse, get it from your file cruises. Now, okay, next I have field name and I have to check the data types against the exam. This is date, text, and the numbers are integers here. I have to change them. And these are text. I have to design sale date in the design view, but I have to check that it is date, month, year. I don't need here 4 digits. It is just 2 digits as the example of the design. Now choose my primary key. It is cruise ref in this exam. I have to assign it and next I can keep it as the name, or I can just delete the prefix. It's cruises now. Close, and I have to design the date. Here is the date and it will be medium date as it is requested. Save and view. Yes, it is as in the example. So I can get my evidence file now. I will do it just clicking on the sale date to show that it is medium date for the examiner. So print screen, and I will make it with a crop. Please make it like this, neat and clear. Close the table. Now the next question. Import the file shapes as a new table in your database. Set the shape code as primary. Then they are talking about the relationship. Now let's see shapes. Okay. Now just check the data. Here text, number. This is long integer, date, and these are also integers, text and integer. Now they did not ask me to make this as medium date, but I have to do it because it's just talking about a date and I have to make it the same format for the data fields. So Let's import. Browse. Ships. Next. First row. In the advance, I can change date, month, year, the format as the UK, and no need for digits. Choose my primary key, ship code as requested, and also I can remove the prefix and keep ships. Okay, now let's design the date here. It is medium. Save view. Everything is okay, alhamdulillah. So let's do the relationship. Database tools, relationship, add the tables, close. Work on formatting. Now ship code to ship reference as requested, and it is one-to-many as the examiner said. Why? Because we have it between a primary key and a foreign key, so it will be for sure one-to-many. You can make enforce referential integrity also to make a benefit of using relational database. Close your relationship and make before that a screenshot for the evidence like this, crop and make it clear. Now let's check what's next. Easy question. Add the following as a new record in the cruises table. You have this data. We have to stick for the instructions. This is add new. Now the record number 701 SE. You have to be very careful. Don't rush. Be careful about capital letter and small letter, please. And here is mine. So I'm done. Save my work. They don't need any evidence for this because it will appear in the query and in the report. Now, next question. 23. Now, these are the nice questions and the heavy load. Using fields from cruises table, produce a tabular report that. Now, just only cruises table, and it will be tabular as we used to. It will be in a table. Now, select only records where we have a criteria here. Theme is art or music. Departure port is Miami. This will be done in the query. Show only fields, and they listed the fields. It will be done in the query and sorted or ordered in the report wizard. Don't group the data. Sort the data into ascending order of sale data. It's just only one field. Page orientation, portrait. Now all of these are for the report work. Fit only, single page wide. Include this text. Calculate the total number. It will be in the totals in the report. Has label for the total also in the report, and my name, it will be in the report. So mainly I have this step only, these two, and also the sorting, because it is just only one field will be in the query, the rest in the report. Okay. Create and go to the query wizard. It is simple, and I have to find all the fields that they are asking to. It is a cruises table, departure port, destination, sale date, theme, duration, passengers in order. Okay, next, and I will name it step 23. Let's do the design. First of all, theme. It will be art or music. Art or music. Save your work and check if it is working. Why? If I have any problem in any of the steps, it will appear directly. So it's all art and music. Then it's asking me about the departure port to be Miami. Save and view. Now it's all Miami, music and art. These are 44. Okay. Now it's asking us to make a sort. This sort will be about sale date, ascending order. Here, the sorting, I can do it here because it's just only one field and it will not make anything for the ordering. Now, query and make my report wizard. These are the fields and they are sorted. No grouping. No need to sort from here. Portrait as requested, as you see. Now it is portrait. It will be a single page wide when I'm working on the design. Okay, now the title will be Miami Cruises. Step 23, yes. Let's work on the design. I will work from the layout before. Okay, Miami. Then, no need for this wasted space. We should just work on that. As you see, now it's all visible. And all my fields are shown as requested. Okay, now I will go for the design and save my work. No need for these two fields. Clear. I back here. I did this. Okay, and it is one single sheet. include, I did, and now calculate the total number. You have to check the steps every time because you can miss easily any of these. Tick beside the instruction that you have done this one. Calculate total number of passengers. In this selection, position the number under passenger column. Okay. Now how to do it? These are the passengers. This is the total. We are just counting records. Save your work and make a view. Yes, it is 44 because we found this number in the query, if you remember. Let's do the title. You can't find any number without a title. It will be total passenger. Label. If you want to format, you can. Save. Now has my center number, my name, my number in the header, so it displays on every page. When they say on every page, it means, as you see, you have two headers, report header and page header. They are talking about the page header. I have to add my name, so I will take the titles down. I think I need more space. Add your name in a label. Heading. Okay, I can put it here to get the attention, and to check that it's on every page, print preview. This is my name here, and next, also my name here. We did well, so just print your work as requested in a printout too. Make sure that you have entered your name and place in your evidence a screenshot showing database formula used to calculate the number of passengers. You have to print, then go to the design, view, and please make sure that this is all visible. No need for this now. Make screenshot, go, and you have to crop for sure. Save your work, please. Now 11 marks are done. Next report now, it's question 24, 9 marks. Using fields from both tables, produce a tabular report that selects records where. Also, we have a criteria here. Includes the text C, duration is 14 or more, and board is full. Contains a new field, you have to be careful, which is called passenger nights, which is calculated at runtime. This field will multiply duration by the passengers. Now also show the fields in this order, do not group. Sort data into ascending order of destination, then descending order of duration. Now, because of this sorting, it will be two fields, and also they are not in the order of the fields, so I will do it in the report design. Please remember, page orientation is landscape, single page, include. Okay, so start from here, it will be all is for the report, and before that will be done in the query. And we have to be careful about it is both tables, not one table. Okay, close your previous work. Now create, and let's work on a query, simple query. Be sure that you are selecting from the original tables. Now what they are need as fields: sail date, cruise ref, ship name is not here, so I will get it from ships, departure from cruises, departure port, destination, duration, board, passenger, nights from ships. Passenger nights, I will not find it any place because why? You have to find that it is the new field, you cannot add. You did not create it yet, so leave it. But I have to be careful that ship name is here, duration is here, and board is here. If any one of these fields is not in the order of the fields, you have to add it. Then after the criteria, please hide this field or don't add it to the report. Okay, so we are proceeding in, and this is step 24, finish. Now many things to do here. I can add the new field by using builder. Now what's the name? Passenger underscore nights. Stick to the examiner passenger. Now how it is calculated? It is by multiplying duration by passenger field. Delete expression, and you are okay. Save and view. Now it's working, alhamdulillah. Now what to do? I will do the criteria. Ship name includes C. So let's find out ship name. If you write just only C, it will not work. Look, it's empty because you wrote C as it is C, but they are talking about includes. So put star C star. This means includes. Now save and view. This is the ship name. Now it includes C. So, next thing, Duration is 14 or more. This means greater than equal 14. Then save and check out. Now, yes, it is 14 or more. I insist of checking after each criteria just to find our mistakes if there is. Now, this is full. 14 or more includes C. My query now is okay. We don't need to do anything else, as you see. Now, let's go to our report. Close query, create and report wizard. They are in order, and passenger nights in the last. Next, no grouping. I will not do the sorting here. It will be landscape, as you see here. Landscape. Next, and step 24. Ta-da! Let's work on the layout. Stretch it. And we are talking about one page. It is 1 of 1 as landscape, and we have to change the title extended cruise sailing. So please stick to the title. What else? Yes, we have to do the sorting, if you remember. Now save and go to the design view. Now in the design view you will find this group and sort, and when we do group and sort, now let's remember, sort ascending order destination. Okay, add sort ascending order A on the top, then descending order of duration. Add sort duration descending, it means largest to smallest, as you know. Save your work and let's check. The duration and okay, nothing, just only my name. It should be on the report. They did not say header or footer. I choose the footer. Let's go to the design and please clear this. Now label, and the most beautiful step. Save, go to the print preview and print. After you print and check your work, go to question 25. It's talking about using feeds from both tables produce an extract. When they are talking about extract, mainly they are talking about a query, no need for report. Selects only records, theme, duration, which is taster and less than 4. Show the fields, cruise ref, ship name and duration in order with data labels. Okay, save the extract. It will be 25. Close your previous work. Create and go to query wizard. Simple. Be sure please that you are working on the original tables. They are talking about theme, duration, and cruise ref, ship name, not from here, ships, ship name, duration, it's already done, so next, and step 25, finish. Now design. Theme is taster and duration, let's check it is working. Yes, now less than 4, save and check. We are good. Now show only cruise ref, yes, ship name and duration in this order, so move it, just move it. Now cruise ref, ship name and duration, we are safe. Question 26. Export the extract created in 25 in rich text format. Be careful about the format and save the exported in your work area, which is task 2. The evidence, screenshot to show the exported file saved in your work area in the evidence 10. Make sure that you have an evidence of the file type. Okay, so this is step 25. Export RTF, browse. I will go to task 2 here. It is rich text format, and okay, now for the evidence you should go here. Be careful about the file type. Screenshot evidence 10, and as usual crop. Keep the folder name. Enlarge just to make it clear. Alhamdulillah, congratulations, it is done. 29 marks are